Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing pretty well. Today, you are finally getting the beauty room tour. Woohoo! It's been a long time coming, but we're here. We actually got it together. We did, and I'm happy, okay? It's simple, it's cute, it's chic. This is where I get my work done. This is where we make that money. This is where we do our content. So if you're interested in seeing everything that is in this room, where I got the stuff from, and if you're just nosy like I am and like to see other people's stuff, then just go ahead and keep watching. Oh, and don't even think you're gonna watch the rest of this video without subscribing. If you're not subscribed, pause right now. I will wait, pause. Go subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I was looking at my numbers, and why are 79% of my watchers or my viewers not even subscribed to me? What is that? That is not cool, okay? If you're gonna watch my videos, and I'm pretty sure you watch more than one, go ahead and subscribe. Show me some love, join the community, because we're awesome here. So make sure you do that. So there's all of our rooms are up here. Bedroom is over there. We have the guest bathroom there. We have the guest bedroom there. And the third bedroom is what I turned into my office and beauty room. So you walk in, there's a lot, okay? It's a lot. Take it all in. Take it all in. It's not a very big room, but it works for what I need to do. So we're just gonna jump right in. I have a TV. I had William install it because I'm in here a lot. So sometimes I just want to watch TV. So I have that here. It looks a little low because it's directly in front of my, vanity. So I don't have to like look up, which you're actually not supposed to do that. So key fact, it's not good to tilt your neck up to look at a TV. It should be at a sitting angle or whatever. But anyways, so yeah, so I got the TV there. This is my workstation. This is where I work. I work from home. If you did not know, now you know. I work from home, so this is what that setup is. All these cords, yeah, I hate this, but I mean, it's work. What can you do about it? So, yep, so that's that. And then now we can get to the fun stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with some of the paintings I have on the wall. This, my best friend Angela painted, and I went to her house and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. And I was like, can I have it? And she was like, yeah. So I was like, okay, bomb. This is definitely going to my beauty room. If you cannot tell, it's supposed to be the continent of Africa because, I'm African. We're both African, Kenyan specifically. And it's just beautiful. It has like animals, like it's just gorgeous. And then it's a woman. So I absolutely love that. It's like an African queen and just represents everything amazing about our continent. So that's that. And then over here, this is my first year anniversary gift from William. Essentially it is the night that, not we met, but the night that he asked me to be his girlfriend. So this is supposed to be like the night sky of that particular date, which our anniversary is October 1st. So it's actually coming up. And it says a little cute message here and the altitudes and all that stuff. So that's what that is. Love the black and whiteness to it. Very clean, modern, chic. So I hung that up there. And then over here we have this little lady. Love it. I got this from, I think it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I think it was Marshall's, one of those. Can't really remember. It was like $20 and I was like, oh my God, this will be perfect for my beauty room. I love the simpleness, the aesthetic of it. I love that it's a woman. It's just, I just love it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. So those are the things that I have like as far as decorating on the wall. I didn't want to over clutter this room because it is small. So I wanted to keep it simple, but also decorative and cute, but also minimal, if that makes any sense. So all of this stuff I got from Amazon, not this. This is not from Amazon. My filming stuff is. I will try to find everything and I will link everything down below from this video because I know some of you guys ask me where I get my stuff from. So this is a video for y'all, okay? So this is my beauty light that I used to film. This is really bright, y'all. Like, she gets super duper bright, okay? So this is what I use when I'm filming. Got this from Amazon. I think it was like $100. But it's amazing, okay? It's LED, it doesn't heat up. I used to have a ring light. Ring light days are over. LED lights is where it's at. So this is a camera I use to film most of my videos. This is a Canon Rebel T7i. I is the best one if you're doing content as far as videos, because it actually comes with a jack, so you can plug in an external mic. I also got this from Amazon. It's a pretty good starter mic. It's like 25 bucks. I do want to invest in a Rode at some point. So, but yeah, got this all on Amazon. I actually got the camera in a bundle that came with a bunch of other stuff. So if I can find it, I will link it down below for you guys. It's a good investment. This is an amazing camera. I personally prefer Canons. I've used Sony before. I don't really like Sony because it gives you like a weird blur, like it smooths you out too much. And I like the realisticness of Canons. Like it looks like you're in person in real life. So I prefer Canons. I don't know what you guys prefer, but that's what I use. So that's that. And then we have the tripod that it's on. And then we can move over here, and this is my Vanity. This I actually got from Home Depot. The thing I love about it, oop, it's dirty. It's so cool because this is like a leather kind of like material. So it's not wood. It's like, it has like this leather, deep, dark, brownish black kind of look to it, which I love it. It makes it look so different. And then it has this like gold hardware. It's like a rustic antique kind of color. And it has like this, these little details on it. But my most favorite part about this is one, that it's dark. I used to love, obsess over white everything. Those days are over, okay? I like white, but too much white is a little, it's a little bland. So I kind of started leaning to more of like darker colors with some creams and whites, but also textures. I really like textures in a room. It really brings out rooms. So I like the gold hardware, but my most favorite part about this is the top part is glass, okay? This is my Vanity. No one has time to be trying to wipe stuff off of plastic or wood, okay? Glass is going to be your best friend if you're doing anything makeup related, because it's super easy to clean. You just spray and you clean and you keep it pushing. So that's really mainly why I got this, is because it has a glass top. And I think they still have it on Home Depot. If they do, I will link it down below for you guys. But yeah, so this is my Vanity. I keep most of my everyday go-to products in here. So this is what all of that is. And then behind me, we have this tower of amazingness. I got this bookshelf, I guess is what they call it, from Target. I think they still have it. We'll link everything down below. I'm gonna stop saying that. Everything will be linked down below. So I got this bookcase from Target. I think it was like 100, 125, something like that. And obviously I have stuff over here. Those two shelves are from Target too. These are storage. So I have like equipment, chargers, things like that in that one. Giveaway items are in that one, which I actually am gonna be doing some giveaways soon. So keep on the lookout for that. And then down here, I just have the Forever Mood Spring Candle box. I just thought it was really pretty and I wanted to display that. I have the Bond Number 9 perfume because it's very, not tacky. The bottle just stands out. So it doesn't go with the vibe up here. So this is why she's down here. But this is a really, really nice scent. This is Bond Number 9, what is this? New York City Nights. I got this because of Jackie Aina. It's a very cocoa-ish, sweet kind of smell. So I use it mostly as a mixer. These are some palettes that I brought out recently that I want to start using more, since this is the Soft Glam palette. We have Jackie Aina's palette, and then Norvina's at the bottom. And then down here I have some of my Dossier perfumes. You guys know I've worked with them a bunch. Love their stuff. Super duper awesome brand. So I have some of those there because they could not fit up here. This is a picture of me and William in New York. This was our 1 year anniversary trip. We went to New York City last year and it was super duper fun. But yep, and then I just have some more perfumes. We got Angel, we got some KKW. And then when we move to the third shelf from the bottom. So this shelf is where majority of my perfumes are. The way I have it arranged is from fresh to floral sweet to gourmandish to like woody spicy deep. That's how I have everything kind of like arranged, and I just love the way it looks. Everything just laid out, super easy to see what you want. If whatever vibe you're in, I'm like, do I want to, you know, be sexy and, you know, out in town tonight, or am I trying to be, you know, really pretty and smell good but not too overpowering? You know what I'm saying? So I like the way I display that out. I have a lot of perfumes. I've done a lot of perfume videos. I have done collection videos, but I do have a lot of newer perfumes. So if you guys do want an updated perfume collection, please let me know. Comment down below. I will be happy to film that for you all. And then when we move on to this, I got this picture from Target. Just thought it was cute. I like the vibe, the gold, the white, the black. It kind of goes with my room. You start to see a vibe with my room, okay? The colors kind of all work together. And then I got these two books here. These are coffee table books. I've got these from Amazon. I will link them down below. Super duper inexpensive. I think this was like 25 bucks. This was like 20. Super duper cute books. I just feel like they add, you know, a little pop of something. So that's there. Got this from Target. Obviously, this is Coco Chanel. I don't really wear this a lot. I'm gonna be real with you. It's a really pretty fragrance. It's a little too mature for me, which I like a lot of mature fragrances, but this is more leaning to like, I would mix this with other stuff, but honestly, to be 100% honest, I use this for decoration because I just love the bottle. So that's why this is up there. And then I have my Tom Ford fragrances. These are the oils. So I bought the set that comes with the rose gold and the bronze gold. So that's what that is over there. And then at the tip top, we just have random knickknacks. Got that from Target, just like the way it looked. That's a Jackie Aina gingerbread trap house candle. And then that's just one of those little tree things. I think that was from Target as well. Lots of stuff from Target. Target should sponsor me, but you know what? It's all right. But yep, so that's this over here. And then now we are going to go to my little corner. So I recently just finished putting this together, which is why I wanted to fill this corner with something, because I do want to use this corner to film content as well. It was very bare. I was gonna put a chair, which I ordered from Wayfair, but I ended up returning because it was too small. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to do a chair. I don't want to overcrowd this room. I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple. So I actually picked this up from Target, this little bookshelf. It was actually pretty cheap. It was like 23, 25 bucks. And I was like, oh my God, this would be perfect for here. So picked this up last weekend. And then I will work from the top down. You guys already know that was from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of those. Got this from Target about a couple weeks ago. No, 2-3 weeks ago. This was like $20. I loved the look of it. Loved the white ceramic bowl or vase, whatever you want to call it. This is faux, so it's not real. It reminds me kind of pampas grass, so that's why I got it, because I don't have to upkeep it or anything like that. It's plastic, but it looks really, really real, so got that. And then this book is from, it's a coffee table book. This is from Amazon. It used to be over there, but I rearranged everything once I got this section. So I put that over here because I thought it would be, you know, I thought the vibe would work. So, and then we have this candle burning, which I got from Target. This is the coconut campfire candle. This smells so good. So good. It's huge too. It's really big, and it was only $10. So the second little section, I got this picture from Amazon. No, I lied. This was from Target. It was $5. I thought it was cute, and it's simple. So I just got that. This is Tati's palette. Who remembers this? I haven't used this in such a long time, but I still have it. So it looks kind of like a book, so I just put it there for now. And then the third section, we have this was from Target, no, Walmart, Bless This Mess. I've had this for a long time. You guys remember from my old room. I got this little piece of, I don't even know what this is. It's heavy. It's like, I don't know, but it's one of those like decorative like pieces. This was from Target. It was like 20 bucks. Got another candle from Target. This is pumpkin old fashioned, just for the season. So that's in the corner over there. And then at the bottom, we have one of these little decorative bowls. This was like $15, I think, or $10, and that was from Target as well. So that is this shelf here. And then we have my Louis Vuitton bag thing box in there in that corner, because I don't know where else to put in the house. So I'm just like, let me just push it in the corner over there. So that's pretty much everything. I think I went over pretty much everything, honestly. In this room is more, it's a mess in here, okay? I have my Alex drawers that has more makeup. I got a bunch of stuff up there. So this room has this we're just gonna leave this like this, okay, until I feel like I want to tackle it. So that's why the door is closed. But pretty much, yeah, that was it. This is my beauty room. This is where I do everything. Honestly, I like the way it came out, you know. You got to work with what you have. This is definitely a huge jump from, you know, being in a one-size bedroom, filming, working, doing all of it in one place. I'm glad that I have a space where I can actually do my content now as well as work. Because it's not, sometimes when you mix, you got to separate work from like your intimate areas. So having to work in your bedroom kind of like kills the vibe of the bedroom, if that makes sense. So I'm happy that I have an entire room dedicated to what I love to do. So that makes me so happy. But yeah, so like I said, it makes me very happy that I have this. So blessed, feel amazing. I'm so proud of myself that I've been able to do everything and create everything in this room, buy everything. I'm happy, okay? I'm happy with how everything turned out. Comment down below and let me know if you guys like this room, if you like the vibe. Tell me what you think my vibe is. I'm not gonna tell you, I want you to comment down below. And like I said, I am gonna try to link as much stuff as I can. I'm pretty sure everything is still available. If I can find it, I will link it down below. So you should see it. Check the description box and you'll see everything down there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long time coming, but you have it. So there's my beauty room. You guys now know where I make the content. And I also do use the rest of my house as well as other things, obviously. But this is where most of the stuff is done. So yeah, but thanks again for tuning in and I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Bye.